Hi Dane, hi Nin. Hi ourselves. So this is us, December 16, 2023, is a Saturday. Quick context, kakatapos pa lang ng construction, everything.
No, it was
No.
like around parang 3 weeks ago na.
Well, yeah, I mean, by construction, I mean, katapos ko maglagay ng talks. Truck bar. There.
This one, sharp gloves.
Proud of that.
Baby. Hello, say hello to Dio.
Sa mga yan. After breaking one light fixtures ang spotlight tapos. So yun, we went to see how the lime wash cures.
So that's after 4 days.
No, it's not. 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah, this is after 1 week. So
Really?
yeah, this is after 1 layer now.
Oh, 1
So
layer.
it's really good. You can see the strokes.
It's really good, pero it could be better.
It could be better. And this is just 1 layer. We could add another layer.
See, dami pang plastics. Kasi we're gonna add another layer pa. Tapos may ano dito, kitchen bar, yung sa IKEA. And then, tricolor. Ta-da!
And
Wait lang. Okay, so it's week, I don't know, pang ilang weeks na to, babe, for construction.
we started November
We started-
6.
Yeah, we started November 6 and then di pa rin tapos because wala pang pera. Hinihintay pa namin yung commission. So, if future nin-nin and Dane is watching this, so eto yung biggest struggle so far, financially, physically, mentally, wise, emotionally na lang din. And then, quick update, we already did the first coat of lime wash. Cured na siya for like a week. And right now, Dane is doing the masking. See, baby, say hi.
Hi.
Ayun, so it's night na, naabutan na kami ng gabi. See, ang ganda ng wainscoting. Basang-basa na si Dane. Basang-basa sa ulan. Walang malalapitan.
So yun, I'm very proud of my masking work. Joke.
Yan ah.
Diba?
Yun. Proud siya doon.
Actually, also context, you were excited to buy this because you only see white masking tape. And
Oh,
this
yeah.
is very easy to see.
Pang ilang bili na niya yan.
Yeah, and you were thinking, oh, I can use this on my keyboard then for the tape mod.
Yeah. And then, there oh. This is your view. This is why you bought this. A community. Nag-picnic kami dyan here. Sobrang pangit pa. Sobrang dumi pa. Nung mirrors. And then, yun, yung binibenta natin na walang bumibili. Okay lang. It's useful. Then here's the bed. Here's the bed na binili ni Dane Marte. And then here's the rest of it. For context, wala na kaming pera.
Yeah, for context, wala kaming pera, but nag-Jollibee kami ngayon.
Pero nag-Jollibee kami. It's okay. Tapos, wala pa rin yung komisyon. Wala pa rin. December 16, 2023.
Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin. Within the week daw, pero...
Yeah. Walang commission, credit cards maxed out. Both cards.
Yeah, so...
Yeah.
Okay lang, kaya. Kaya.
So, I mean, I'm sure if you're watching this, wala na lang yung problema na yun. Pero right now, it's
We're
really big.
really
So,
struggling.
Oo, so imagine, look at us now. We are really worrying about it. And look at yourself now. So, laki na lang improvement ko. Diba? I'm sure may bahay ka na. Kotse. Diba?
10 years from now.
Oh, your
I
savings.
really hope.
You have passive income. You have running investments. So, count yourself blessed. Okay? And right now, we are blessed. We count ourselves blessed. How do I sound?
I just hope na... Feeling ko kasi nakuha na ako ng time. Pagkat feeling ko, kadadama ako na sa akin, hindi ako nag-video. Okay na nga ngayon, nag-video pa rin.
There's kailangan para ma-feel mo, malaman mo na
Progress, no?
you're doing something, diba? It's important to document.
Yeah, but I think... Maybe. Madumi pero daw.
Paano mag-vlog? Istorya lang. This is the current status of the condo. Okay, this is the condo 20 years, no, let's say 10 years before if you're watching this in 2033. So, unfinished pa, lalime wash pa lang ata. Okay, so this is the room that you always go to every summer before ma-finish and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, after hindi makabit, after nakabit ko ang light, the track light, I figure out everything.
Yeah, that one. He's
Yeah.
very proud of it.
Yeah, I figured that out. I even broke one though, because I was experimenting on it.
I really think we have to go. It's getting late now.
Yeah.
It's 5 or 6 p.m. and we have to meet Mother and Wap Wap at PTC. Bye!